Today I'm going to teach you how to delete cache data in your phone, and it is very simple. For example, this phone is a Samsung Galaxy J1 Mini Prime. You just go to Smart Manager, tap there, just go to the storage used, tap there. Then you come to details. After details, just go to use space right here, use space. After there, I go to applications. This method can be used in any phone to delete cache data. Sometimes your phone becomes full and it has nothing. Instead of just restoring to factory reset or flash your phone, this is a very simple method to do. Okay, go to Google, tap the Google here. After that, you just go to manage storage. Manage storage. Go to clear data. Clear. Go back. Take another application like Facebook. Go to clear data. Delete. Go to another application like Maps. That is 180 MB. Data is 708 kilobytes. So you just come and clear data. Delete. Go back again. Go to YouTube. Delete. The cache data is 7.93 MB. So you go and clear data. Again, just come to all applications, just do the same. You can clear data. You clear. Scroll and delete all data. In every application, come and clear data. Clear. This method is widely used by those smartphones with higher purchase. Maybe the D-Lite company. This is from the D-Lite company. I can show you a simple the application. It is right here. This one, JoyPay. This means it's from the D-Lite. So you can clear the data. It doesn't accept. So if you want to delete cache data to any phone, you can use just the procedure that I've given you, and everything will be okay. Goodbye. First, let me show you. It was 90-something%. Let me show you. Here, just come and delete. Let us see. It is now 90%. You can see. So our method has worked. Like and subscribe to my network. See you in next video.